And these are behaviors that are somewhat predictable. They are behaviors that, you know, happen naturally, but I think we have some say in it, the way that we design our environments and our tools and the way that we communicate with each other. And I think an instructional designer is somebody who looks at how we learn and how we train and teach each other and share information, and then decides to get hands-on and says, okay, we're going to set things up in a certain way that facilitates this type of learning, that facilitates this type of knowledge sharing. I think that's a really big picture of what an instructional designer does. That's just what humans do. So with an instructional designer, I think one of the first things, if we look at more formally what is the job, it is figuring out what do people need to learn? What do people need to, to know to do this task that the company is all, going in one direction. They're all focusing on this task or this series of tasks. And I think that's the first step of what an instructional designer does is to, do what we call a needs assessment. It's that we have all these people here, and usually, you're not going to show up in a in a random environment where everybody's just randomly doing tasks. I think that's pretty rare.